Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, today is 16 Jan. Mathematics exercise 5C, 6th class for abstract students and new syllabus mathematics D1, and question number 8 is the sum of half of a number and 49 is 2 whole number 1 over 4 of the number. Find the number. So students, we will suppose that the number is x. Let number is equal to x. According to the condition, students, half of this number and 49 when added get the same result as when 2 whole number 1 over 4 is multiplied with the number that is x. So students, according to the condition of the question, half of the number, I mean to say 1 over 2 of x and 49 makes for 2 whole number 1 over 4 of the number, and that number is x. So students, try to understand the statements. The sum mean plus or sum of what? Half of a number, that number is x, so its half will be 1 over 2x, and 49. So the sum of the half of the number and 49 is 2 whole number 1 over 4 of the number. So 2 whole number 1 over 4 of the number. So it is the statement that we have to write it. Now students, this 1 over 2x is plus on left side. When I transfer it to the side, it will become minus, and the left side there will be only 49 is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 over 4x minus 1 over 2x. Students, on the right side there are two fractions, so we will take LCM of 4 and 2. So the LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4. When 4 will divided by 4, we will have 1 as quotient, and 1 will multiply by 9, we will have 9x minus, when 4 is divided by 2, the quotient will be 2, and 2 is multiplied with numerator, that is 1. So 2 1s are 2x is equal to 49. Students, 4 is dividing on right side. When I transfer it to the left side, it will multiply and written as 49 multiplied by 4 is equal to 9x minus 2x means 7x. Now students, 7 is multiplying with x. When I transfer it to the other side, it will divide. So it is written as 49 multiplied by 4 over 7 is equal to x. 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. So 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to x. And 7 4s are 28 is equal to x, and x is equal to 28, and that is the number we have to find. Students, question number 9 is, when a number is multiplied by 4 before subtracting the number, the result obtained is the same as 3 times the sum of the number and 4. Find the number. So students, we will suppose that the number is x, number is equal to x. According to the condition of the question, this number x will be multiplied by 4 before subtracting from 68. So students, according to the condition of the question, this number x will be multiplied by 4 before subtracting from 68, so 68 minus 4x, and it will give the same result as 3 times the sum of the number and 4. Students, try to understand the statement. When a number is multiplied by 4 before subtracting from 68, so we will subtract 4x from 68, and it will give the same result as the 3 times of the sum of the number, that is x and 4. So 3 times means that this 3 will multiply with both the numbers that are summed up in the bracket. Now students, we will simplify this question. 68 minus 4x is equal to 3 will multiply with x and we will have 3x, and when 3 will multiply by 4 we will have 3 4s are 12. 4x and 3x are the like terms, so I will transfer this minus 4x to right side because it is negative on left side. When I transfer it to the side it will become positive, and this 12 and 68 are the like terms, so I will transfer this 12 to left side and it will become minus. So it is written as 68 minus 12 is equal to 3x plus 4x. Subtract 12 from 68 and we will have 56 is equal to 7x. Now 7 is multiplying with x. When we transfer it to the side it will divide. So 56 over 7 is equal to x, and 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. So the value of x is 8, and that is the number we have to find. Students, question number 10 is, a man is 6 times old as his son. 20 years later, the man will be twice as old as his son. Find the age of man when his son was born. So students, we will suppose that the age of the son, today's age of the son is equal to x, and today's age of the father will be 6x because father is as old as 6 times older than his son. After 20 years, son's age will be, students, x plus 20, and father's age after 20 years will be 6x plus 20. And students, after 20 years, father's age will be twice as son's age. So if we multiply son's age with 2, both the ages will be equal. So according to the condition of the question, 6x plus 20, that is the father's age after 20 years, will be equal to twice of the son's age after 20 years. So students, it is the equation in which we will find the value of x. So students, 6x plus 20 is equal to 2x plus 40. Transfer this 2x to left side and this 20 to other side, and we will have 6x minus 2x is equal to 40 minus 20. So 4x will be equal to 20, and students, x will be 20 over 4, and the value of x is 25. So students, present age of the son is 5 years and present age of the father, will be, students, 6 into 5 mean 30 years, and the present age of the son is 5 years. So when his son was born, father's age was 25 years. So when son is born, father's age will be, students, subtract son's age from the present age of the father, 30 minus 5 years. So at that time father was 25 years old. Students, question number 11 is, a moon cake with 2 egg yolks cost $2 more than a moon cake with 1 egg yolk. The cost of 6 moon cakes with 2 egg yolks and 5 moon cakes with 1 egg yolk is $130.80. Find the cost of the moon cake with 2 egg yolks. So students, we will suppose that the price of moon cake with 1 egg yolk is equal to X. Then students, price of moon cake with 2 egg yolk will be X plus $2, because the moon cake with 2 egg yolks is $2 more than the price of the cake having 1 egg yolk. Now students, according to the condition of the question, there are 6 moon cakes with 2 egg yolks, so I will multiply 6 with X plus $2, and there are 5 moon cakes with 1 egg yolk, so 5 will be multiplied with X, and total price is $130.80, and we have to find the moon cake with 2 egg yolks. So we will find the number of cakes with 2 egg yolks. So students, we will simplify this question. So students, 6 will multiply with X, and we will have 6X plus $6 2s are 12 plus 5X is equal to $130.80. Now students, 6X and 5X are the like terms, so we will sum up, and $12 and $130.80 are like terms, so I will transfer $12 to the side, and on the left side there will be 11X is equal to $130.80 minus $12. Now students, subtract $12 from $130, and we will have $118.80 is equal to 11X, and 11 is multiplying with X. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, so X will become $118.80 over 11. So the value of X will be $11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, no carry, 11 zeros are 0, then point, and 11 eights are 88, and 11 zeros are 0. So the X is $10.80, and X is the price of the moon cake with 1 egg yolk, and we have to find the price of moon cake with 2 egg yolks. So the required price will be with 2 moon cake will be $10.80 plus $2, and we will sum up both the numbers, and the price of moon cake with 2 egg yolks will be $12.80, and that is our required number. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.